Gerom Saironim, 안녕하세요, 감사합니다. Bye bye.
안녕하세요, Josie.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so please receive photo cheese from Onion Shiknim.
엄연식님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. 바이바이.
감사합니다, Onion Shiknim.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so Andrea is in the school today. So, and also Teacher Gretchen and Teacher Rika. So, Teachers Gretchen's Oma will receive the delivery for Andrea since she have in school. So you will take a video soon. She arrives. So okay, I'm here to deliver the 2 trays of eggs, 50 pieces of puto cheese, and 1 pack of chooks to go, and that is all from Handolning.
한돌님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다 for Andrea.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye.
안녕하세요, Leah Jane Uma.
안녕하세요.
So Leah Jane is in school.
For school.
Ano sa siyang balik?
4 p.m.
4 p.m. out. So I'm here to deliver for Leah Jane. She have 2 trays of eggs and 50 pieces of puto cheese and 1 pack of chooks to go. And that is from Handolning.
한돌님 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Okay, please take a video and share.
Okay.
Okay, bye bye.
Bye bye. 안녕하세요.
Vinis ma'am. So Vinis is in school.
In school. 6 p.m.
6 p.m. pa lang out. So I'm going to give the delivery for Vinis. 50 pieces of puto cheese, and that is from Las Vegas now.
Las Vegas name. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다. For
Okay.
Venice.
Please take a video ta. Okay, bye bye.
안녕하세요, Venice.
안녕하세요.
Okay, Las Vegas name. He give you 50 pesos of puto cheese. Please receive.
Las Vegas name 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
안녕하세요, Teacher Grace.
안녕하세요.
Okay, so all the students are in the school today. So I'm here to deliver, and please take a video for Shireen, Erika, and Nicole. They have 50 pieces of puto cheese, and also Darrell, Angel, Kate, Rowan, and Nigel, 5 students. They also have 20 pieces of puto cheese each. Okay, and that is all from Nulpurun Sunamunim.
놀포른 수나무님. 안녕하세요. 감사합니다 for the students.
Okay, bye bye.
Darrell.
안녕하세요.
How are you?
I'm okay.
Okay. Since wala man ka ganiha sa pag-distribute nako sa mga kauban sa imong mga classmates, so I'm here to relay your puto cheese from Nolpron Sunamunim. Happy?
Yes.
Here your puto cheese. What can you say?
Thank you. Ay, nalpuran sa naman name. Kamsahamnida.
Fighting!
Fighting.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
안녕하세요, Rowan.
안녕하세요.
Okay. Tonight, I'm here in Rowan house to relay her delivery from Nolpron Sunamunim. So Rowan, Nolpron Sunamunim gives you 1 box of puto cheese.
Nalpuran sa namin. Kamsahamnida.
Okay ra ka? Ha? So Rowan, I'm heard from her mother that she is sick. So I'm here to her house para mangumusta niya. So wala na kay gibati ron karon lang. Wala na.
Pero kung ano kayo po nga,
Ha? Imong panglasa wala na kay kanang wala pa kakaron og panglasa sa imong kuan. So, unya sa pagkuan, unya sa pag eskwela kung dili pa ka okay ha. So rest sa ka ha. Kay excuse lang gihapon ka. Okay, fighting. Naong be, fighting. Fighting. Ay, bye-bye.
Miss Jeannie, 안녕하세요. 감사합니다.
Sa'yo, Eliza and Junlin.
안녕하세요.
So, Kim Sarang name, give 4 bucks each of photo cheese.
Uncle Kim 사랑님 감사합니다.
Bye-bye.
바이바이.
안녕하세요. I'm going to bed, but I'm brushed the teeth first. Bye. My teeth is clean now.